Hello parents, hope you all are doing well. I brought this video about the abacus for you. I have interacted so many of parents and got so many questions from them that what is abacus and is it beneficial for their kid to learn the abacus, what age group is perfect to learn, what abacus learning will at some point in their education journey or not. I am Charu and I am a abacus certified trainer and I am here to clear your all the query what is abacus and how we will use that. So I welcome all of you to my channel Little World Genius. In this I will tell you what is abacus. So and how your kid will learn in starting what to do the calculations and all. So this is abacus. Abacus comes in this is plastic frame. It comes in the wooden frame also. It is like 13 rods. It comes in 17 rods also. It sometimes comes in monotonous color, sometimes in this colorful and all. But all do the same functions. This depends on our kids what they will like. So let me go take you to this about the abacus. This is the frame of the abacus, and this is called the bar. This is called the answer bar or formula bar. You can see two type of beads. Some is upper beads and some is lower beads. These are called the upper beads and these are all are called the lower beads. But value are different. The upper beads value, this upper beads value is the 5, and lower beads value is the 1. Now you can see some pointers here, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pointers are here. They are called pointers. But this middle one is called the house pointers. Mostly calculation we start from this house pointers only. This is called a unit digit. All our calculation we start from this house pointers. So now in this video I will tell you how to hold the abacus. We do the calculation in the abacus. We mostly move the beads and use our both hands, our left hand also and our right hand also. This is by this we hold our abacus like this, and in right hand we will keep one pencil like this, and this two index finger and this thumb finger will be the free. So if we have to present the number, we use upper thumb and index finger, like add 1, 2, 3 and 4. So I will show you how to use the abacus and what your kids will learn in the starting stage. So you can see here, this is abacus diagram and all. First I will teach your kids. The kids will learn in the abacus what beads saying, what number beads is presenting. Like this is beads. I told you as upper bead, this is house pointer and the upper bead value is 5. So this is showing the number 5. Like this I told you the lower beads value is 1. Each bead's value is 1. So this is 1, 1, 1 and 1. So if you have to add 2, how will you do? Add 1, add 2. This is 2. So same you can see here. It is showing 2. Here is no beads, will say 0. So in the starting, I will teach the kid what beads number present, which number beads are presenting. Then so they will learn like this number. This number showing 5 and 1, 6. This number is showing 5 and 1, 6. So here I will show you, this is 66. So kids will learn the beads, what number beads are presenting. Then they will learn how to number we present in the form of the beads. Like it is showing 9. So we'll say 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So in starting, kids will learn to number to beads and beads to number. Then they learn all this thing what beads is saying. Then we go the simple additions, like 1 plus 1, 1 plus 2, 1 plus 3. Let me show you here. If you have to do 1 plus 1, so 1, 1. Now again add 1, add 1. We got 2. The beads which were touch this answer bar will be our answer. Like another question, add 1, add 1. So like we are doing add 1, Now we are doing here add 2, so 1 and 2. So the bead which are touching this formula bar, will be our answer. Now, like no other beads are touching this formula bar, only this 1, 2, 3 beads are touching the formula bar, answer bar. Our answer will be the 3. So we'll write the 3 answer here. So after every operation, every calculation, we will clean our abacus, and for this we will make this with right hand, this pinch, and we will from right to left we will go like this. No bead should touch the answer bar. Then we'll do our next our calculation, like if we are doing add 5 and plus add 1. So I told you already, like this upper bead value is 5, so we have to add 5. Now add 1, we will add 1. So answer is 5, 1, 6. We write down 6, and then we do clean our abacus. So this is simple addition we start in starting. Now slowly this additions and all. Now let me show you now subtractions. So like here add 1, we did add 1. Now add 6. For add 6 we use our both index finger and thumb finger. Add 6. Now again last 6 we'll do use our both finger, but doing for last 6 we'll remove from beads from the here, and then add 2, add 2. We got answer 1, 2, 3. We write down 3. This is about the subtractions. So by the abacus we in starting we do simple calculation, then we go by the tens rods, like addition of 10, 10, like if we have to do add 10 and 10. So left of this unit rod, this is tens rod, this is 100 rods, this is 1000 rods, this is 10,000, and so on. So left of this we use the place to tell the place value, and right side value we use for the divisions and the decimals and all. Like we have so 10, the 10 cross is like this, so we said 10. We use our this hand at 10. Again at 10 we add 10. Now we start 10 digit addition and all. So you can see if you have to add 10 and add 10. So we will do by this left hand at 10, at 10. So the answer will got 2, 0, 20. We write answer 20 here. So this is how we do the 10 digit addition and subtractions and so on. In level 1 and level 2 around kids will complete all addition and subtractions, 2 digit or almost 2 digit addition and subtraction. And here they will learn around 30 plus formulas. They learn how to apply this formula, where to apply this formula in this age. So this is about the abacus. In abacus there are 8 levels. So around 8 levels are there, and they will learn addition, subtractions, multiplication, divisions and decimals numbers also, how to add all this. So what happened, starting kids learn calculation on the physical abacus, but slowly after some practice we take away the abacus, and now they start the abacus to visualize in their mind and move the bead in their mind, and now they do the calculation in their mind. What number will do, what number you will give to them, they do the calculation in their mind faster than the calculator and the computer and all. What age is perfect to learn the abacus? For the abacus learning, kids should know the numbers at least, so they can, if they know the number, they can represent the number on the abacus. So we can start from the 4th year of 4 years. After that 4 to 12 years we can learn the abacus. Now next question comes, what is the benefit of the abacus to learning? Is it only about the calculations and all? No, it's not only make your kid calculation faster, make your kid more smarter in the math. It will increase the confidence in your kid. It will make your kid more focused. As I already told you, kids will learn around 30 plus formulas. Though in this age they learn logical also, okay, which formula we should use and which formula we should apply. They learn visualization. They visualize the abacus in their mind. They move the beat in their mind. That not only increase their IQ level, they increase their confidence also, and it will beneficial in other subjects and other in their life also in their life. I hope you like the content and found this useful. For more such video, stay tuned to my channel. If you have any other query, please feel free to reach out to me, and thank you for watching.